Folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to divide a rectangle into a rectangle or a parallelogram into two equal parts from any point P on one of its sides. So let's pick a point P. So let's pick this point P. These are point P on the side AB. Now you draw the rectangle and the given point P, and then you draw diagonals AC and BD to intersect at E. So I'll draw diagonals AC. This is diagonals AC. And this diagonal is BD, and this will intersect at E. This is our intersection E. Now the last thing to do is you draw a line. You draw a straight line from P through E to touch AB. So for a straight line from P through E. So when we have this straight line from P through E to touch DC rather. So and then this straight line divides the figure into two equal parts. So you can thicken this straight line. So in this straight line, let's call it line PQ. And this line PQ divides the rectangle into equal parts.